I realize you cannot see me very well. The reason is it's really dark. It's still an hour and a half before sunrise, and I'm in Hawaii. I drove up to the Pololu Valley, and I want to hike down a little bit to catch sunrise from either at the bottom or near the bottom. But that means hiking down in the dark. So I've got a flashlight, got my camera in my backpack, tripod over my shoulder, and I'm going to start making my way down. Might be a little treacherous, but I'll go really slowly and hopefully get down there in time for a great sunrise. Well, I made it down to the bottom of Pololu Valley, and still before sunrise. I'll swing around this way, get a sense of what I'm looking at. So I'm using a long lens to try to kind of compress the scene a little bit with those cliffs going down the coastline. Beautiful morning. The sun's looking great. Excited to keep shooting. The sun is looking beautiful. I'll swing you around this way to be able to see it. It's a perfect day to shoot this. The sun's very much aligned with these cliff lines over here, and so it's why I came here today, of course. I'm going to try different exposures. I might go for a very long exposure as well and really smooth out that water. But it's just unbelievable. It's beautiful.